freshman Colton Gelding Pacers lined up for tonight's fifth race. Field of 8 on gate. The gate is rolling. And they're off. Papa's got the best go. Fires out from the center of the track. Argon Fire also left well. And Velos sprinted out of the gate as they race into that opening turn. It's Papa's got the best go, who's up to clear early for Wayne Decker. Velos continues on there on the outside for Bolin. Argon Fire away in third. Phenomenon, the favorite, under careful handling thus far. He tucked into fourth in front of Derby Dillon, who came away racing in fifth. It's two more back to Fox Valley Vega away in sixth. Stormhawk is seventh, and Tundra trails through an opening quarter just 29-4. And Velos was up to clear and take over at odds of 64-1 as they straighten out up the backside. Papa's got the best go. Another long shot is back in second as they pass by the 3/8 marker. Argon Fire is